In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels to your posts in Blogger, helping you organize content efficiently and make navigation easier for your readers. To kick things off, the first step is signing into your Blogger account and heading over to the blog that you're interested in editing. If you haven't logged into Blogger before, just use your usual Google credentials, and you should find yourself at the main dashboard. Now, either create a new post or open up an existing one you'd like to add labels to. Both options are easily accessible from the main dashboard. Once you have your post open, shift your attention over to the right sidebar. Under Post Settings, you'll notice a section called Labels. Click on that. If you're familiar with using categories, labels are somewhat similar. They're essentially keywords or tags that help organize your posts so readers can easily find content on specific topics. If this is the first time you're adding a label, you'll type in your chosen keyword or phrase. Say, for example, your blog is about cooking. You might want to use labels like recipes, desserts, or quick bakes. Once you've typed in a label, hit Enter. If you've used labels before, Blogger will suggest previously used tags, which can save you a bit of time and help maintain consistency across your blog. Now, if you have more than one label in mind for your post, remember to separate each one with a comma. It's important to be specific but concise, as overly long labels might not be as effective. If you're working on a post about a quick dessert recipe, you could combine labels like recipes and desserts with quick bakes to maximize search efficiency for your readers. After you've added all the labels you desire, the next step is to publish or update your post. Depending on your blog's template, these labels should automatically show up below your post. This is a great way to prompt readers to explore other related content, offering a smooth way to navigate through various topics on your blog. And there you have it. Adding labels in Blogger is a straightforward process, but it can significantly enhance your blog's organization and user experience. Remember, labels are not only a tool for you, but also a guide for your audience, leading them through your blog in a thoughtful and engaging way. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and that you're now ready to go streamline your blogging experience. Happy blogging!